lab, we're going to create a new case in Autop Autopsy and perform simple digital forensics. We're going to go ahead and create a new case and load the evidence image file. We're going to launch the Windows operating system, virtual machine. We're going to go ahead and log in as another user. Once we've logged in, we're going to go ahead and ignore the server manager window. We're going to go ahead and search autopsy. Autopsy. Once we get to the welcome window, we're going to go ahead and create a new case. Okay, now in the select file window, I'm going to double check to make sure it looks like the user slash lab user slash document. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and click select. Move forward. Select next. We'll fill out this information. Once we've filled out the information, we're going to go ahead and click finish. Okay. Under the select host step here, we're going to make sure that it's the generate new host name based on data source name. We're going to go ahead and select next. On the next screen, we're going to make sure that the disk image or VM file option is selected, and then we're going to click next. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click browse and then select the SD card E01 and open it. Okay, see that it's the right one, and we're going to go ahead and click next. Okay, on the configure ingest step, we're going to leave the default settings and click next. Once it's finished analyzing the information, we're just going to go ahead and finish it out. Go ahead and explore the Auto Autopsy software. We can tell that it's still going and loading the files. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and maximize the window. We're going to go ahead and open up the data source, the SD card. And the SD card. We're going to go ahead and maximize the Spotlight V100 in the Volume 2 section. Okay. And so we can see that it was connected to an Android device and a Mac computer and a Windows computer. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click in front of the Volume 3. We're going to go ahead and click and expand the home folder. We're going to expand the Alpine folder. We're going to click on the Ash history. It looks like we can see that the commands that were executed here. Now we're going to go ahead and click on the etc folder. We're going to go ahead and find the MOTD file and examine the content. We can see that it says welcome to the PI ad blocker. And we can confirm that the SD card was once used to host the PI ad blocker server. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and expand the var folder. Click on log. Highlight the DMESG folder. And we can see that the machine model Raspberry Pi 3 model. We're going to compress the data source file now. And we're going to move on to the file view section. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and go on the file types by extensions. And we're going to click on images. We can see image 4. We're going to go ahead and right click on the Vault JP image and then add file tag. Tag and comment. I'm going to go ahead and add a new tag on here.